How to use Boost on MoneyLion. Alright, let's talk about MoneyLion Boost. It's a cool feature within the app. Think of it as getting a small instant advance on your next paycheck. So, how do you actually use Boost? It's super easy. First, open up your MoneyLion app. It's over here. Tap on it and make sure you have already logged into your account. And once you're in the main screen, you can see a 9 dots in top left corner over here. Tap on it and that will open up several options for you. Now scroll down and go to this section where you can see an option for Boost Your Wallet. Under Boost Your Wallet, you can see 4 options. There's game, referral, cashback, and set and check back. So by these 4 methods, you can boost your wallet. Let's go through one by one. Game. With the help of game, you can play these games over here and boost your wallet. And the second option is referrals, where you will get a referral code. Mine is $postpriti780. You can copy it and share it to your friends, earn from them and boost your wallet. Next option is cashback. Under cashback, you can see a cashback offers which you can use to boost your wallet. The last option, second bank. Tap on it and over here you can see an option to boost your wallet. The first thing you have to do is make a qualifying purchase of $10 or more. The second thing that you have to do is check your phone to earn up to $500. Third thing, they will double your cashback up to $100 on your first 5 qualifying purchases. The fourth thing that you have to do is choose where you want to deposit your reward, trading banking account or manage the investing account. So that was an whole idea about how to use Boost on MoneyLion. Remember, Boost is designed to be a helpful tool for those times you are little short before a payday. Use it responsibly and you can really make the most of what MoneyLion has to offer. That's Boost in a nutshell. Quick, simple, and ready when you need. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.